We don't come again. We don't come again, country people. This na Igbo Cultural Society wey dey for Vienna, Austria. We don't come with our festival, what would they call New Yam Festival, aka Iriji Oga Depapo, country people. Inside this event, we can't get big masquerade, aka Mau, then go perform that day. Ibandez a day dia. Ndinne mama, that day Ndinne go show their waist dance, what would they call Uryuku? How about the children? The children go do their own quiz, show their own children dance, country people. This na mega event where you know fit afford to miss. The DJ Jakarta go there that day, the dish music, the way Mama Poo take the dish food, country people. You know end there. Inside this mega event, we can't get a raffle ticket, what would they call tombola. Somebody go win free ticket to Lagos. Free ticket to Lagos, country people, where you don't see this kind of thing if not before Igbo Cultural Society. Date on the 29th of September 2018. Place be Nieder Mosselstrasse, number 18 to 20, inside 22 district, the heart of Vienna. Time from 6 o'clock in the evening, the hall go open. As from 20 o'clock, will be 8 p.m. Event go kick off till dawn. Will be till Okokoroko, country people waiting you. They wait. Go get your tickets. Go get your ticket. Iba Makano, Ibo Kwen, Ibo Kwen